Hi everyone, my name's Richard Hickling. I'm a co-founder of ProfitView. And what I'm going to show you today is a demonstration that should dispel from everyone's minds that there could be any sort of performance issue with the use of the Python programming language for algorithmic trading of crypto. So over here I have ProfitView, and I've produced an algo for it, which cuts everything out except the subscription to the top of book quote updates for BitMEX's XBT USD perpetual. Now, what this means is, because the way ProfitView works is via an event-driven system, every time there is such a quote update, this will be called. And what does it do? Well, very simple. It takes the time now and subtracts from it the time at which that top of book event happened, which is taken from BitMEX's WebSocket feed of those events. So it sends to us the time it timestamps into the message when that happens. So that's happened on the BitMEX server in that event. And so it sends it to us. And then as soon as we get it, we check what the time is right now and find the difference. And then I print this out using the various f-string functionality to write out this difference in time in milliseconds. Well, let's go over to BitMEX just to see what's going on here. We've got a reasonable bit of action. You can see that happening here. Let's run it and see. Okay, so this is what you get. We have a latency, sometimes it's 5 milliseconds, occasionally greater, 10 milliseconds. Let's watch it. But it's typically 3, sometimes 2, sometimes 4. See, there's a 16. The variation here is because we're dealing with a WebSocket and it's going over a lot of connections to get to us. But it's, going to be fast enough for most people's high-frequency algos. So if you do want to write an algo that is okay for this type of frequency, see there are some longer periods, but this is still not pushing up against something which is going to prohibit you from doing some reasonably large calculations on this time scale in Python. Okay, well, I think I'll stop it there, and you come to ProfitView and have a try for yourself.